Hello everyone! Today I have a review of another knife from the Chinese knife company, OK Knives. The company has released a few new models that I would like to present. First of them, OK 229 CF. Total length is 21 cm, blade length is 9 cm, blade thickness is 4 mm. The steel of the blade is TPMS 30V. It is a high quality American powder stainless steel, tempered to 61 HRC, flat grind, satin finish. On the blade you can see the company logo and name, OK, the model name, OK 229 CF, and the name of the steel, CPMS 30V. On the other side is the number 037 and something like devil's horns with two combat sickles. If I remember correctly, it's called Kama, I guess. Compression lock, opening with a hole in the blade. The knife runs on ceramic ball bearings. Handle scales are made of white carbon fiber. Have you ever seen white carbon before? This is the first time I see something like this and I really like it. Besides, it fits perfectly in the hand. The pocket clip is also made of carbon fiber with the possibility of changing the position. Excellent elasticity. A hole for paracord. OK 81 CF. Total length is 21 cm, blade length is 9 cm, blade thickness is 3.6 mm. The steel of the blade is M390. It is a high quality Austrian powder stainless steel, tempered to 63 HRC, full flat grind, satin finish. On the blade you can see the logo and name of the company, the model name and steel. On the other is the number 099 and an image of a Capricorn head in profile. Compression lock, ceramic ball bearings. Here we also have a white carbon, a hole for paracord. OK 223 CF. Total length is 18 cm, blade length is 7.5 cm, blade thickness is 3.9 mm. The steel of the blade is also M319, tempered to 63 HRC, full flat grind, satin finish. On the blade is the company logo and name, the model name and the name of the steel. On the other side is the number of the model, 013, and also a Capricorn head in profile. Compression lock, black liners and screws, ceramic ball bearings. The handle scales are made of black carbon fiber, just like the pocket clip. A hole for paracord. OK 535. Total length is 19 cm, blade length is 8.2 cm, blade thickness is 2.2 mm. The steel of the blade is VG10. It is a good quality it's a good quality Japanese stainless steel, tempered to 60 HRC, flat grind, satin finish. On the blade is the logo and company name. On the other is the name of the steel, VG10, axis lock, very nice mechanics, opening with the double-sided red anodized thumb stud or the lock itself. Ball bearings. Handle scales are made of transparent material. The manufacturer describes it as acrylic or PEI in red color. I like it very much. You can see everything that's underneath the handle, including the lock working. Stainless steel pocket clip, hole for paracord. OK F95. Total length is 22.5 centimeters. Blade length is 9.5 centimeters. Blade thickness is 3.9 millimeters. The steel of the blade is D2. It is a high alloy tool steel with increased corrosion resistance, tempered between 58-60 HRC, full flat grind, matte finish of the blade. On the blade is a logo and company name. On the other is the name of the steel, D2. Axis lock. Opening with a double-sided thumb stud or the lock itself. Ball bearings. The handle scales are made of G10 in black and green color. Stainless steel pocket clip. A hole for paracord. In summary, another nice knife from OK Knives company, worth of attention. The company releases new models from time to time, so I encourage you to follow the website. You can find the link in the description below the video. That's all in this review, thanks for watching.